Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, paghihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about arranging rational numbers. Okay, so dumaan yung airplane. Malapit lang kasi airport dito sa amin. So, yung objective natin dito, order rational numbers on a number line. Okay, so huwag na natin i-discuss yan, tapos na tayo yan. So, dito muna tayo, comparing rational numbers. So, compare natin yung rational numbers, one sa fraction, sa whole number, at saka sa decimal. So, compare the two rational numbers, writing less than, greater than, or equal to. Okay, so 1/3 is less than, greater than, or equal sa 2. So, try natin sa bar model natin. So, yung 1/3, so that is, okay, 1/3. Okay, 1 out of 3. Yung 2, ayan, yung dalawa. So, sa decimal conversion, 1/3, so that is 0.3. Then, merong venculum sa taas. So, ibig sabihin yan, 0.33333. Okay? Then, yung 2, of course, 2. So, therefore, yung mas malaki dito is 2. So, 1/3 is less than 2. Another example, number 2, 4/5 is less than, greater than, or equal 2/3. So, bar model, ang 4/5, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 4 out of 5. Okay, yung 2/3, 1, 2, 3. So, 2 out of 3. Okay, try natin sa decimal conversion. Ang 4/5, that is equal to 0.8 or 0.8. Yung 2/3, that is 0.6. Then, venculum. Sa common denominator nila is 15 kasi yung denominator ng 4/5 is 5. Yung sa 2/3 is 3. So, 15 yung denominator or common denominator ng dalawa. So, multiply yan by 3. That is 12. Si 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. Si 2 multiply yan by 5, 10. Si 3 multiply by 5, 15. Okay? Or 10 divided by 5, 2. 15 divided by 3 is 15 divided by 5 is 3. So, cross multiplication, 4/5, multiply natin kay 2/3. So, 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 2 is 10. So, therefore, ang mas malaki dito is 4/5. Okay? Sa decimal na lang natin tingnan because 4/5 is equal to 0.8. Yung 2/3 is only for 0.6. So, therefore, sa number 2, 4/5 is greater than 2/3. Next, number 3. So, 0.43 is less than, greater than, or equal. Okay, mas malaki si 0.43. This is greater than. Number 4, 3.7. Compare natin kay 3.75. So, mas malaki ang 3.75. So, 3.7 is less than 3.75. Number 5. Okay. Sounds. Baka hindi nag-ano yung mic ko. Number 5, 1.5 is greater than, less than, to, or equal. So, that is equal. Okay. So, number 6. So, 10.124 is greater than. Obvious naman, di ba? So, number 7. So, this is fraction. Compare natin sa decimal. So, take note, si fraction, ano muna natin yan? Convert muna natin yan ng fraction na 17 over 20 into decimal. At saka itong si 0.85, conversion niya sa fraction. Okay? Common denominator ng dalawa, 100. Si 17 over 20 at saka 85 over 100. So, the same result ito. Okay? Sa decimal conversion, 17 divided by 20 equals 0.85. So, ibig sabihin, equal. So, equal yan. Ang 17 over 20, that is equal to 85 over 100. And 85 over 100, so, reduce to lowest term natin yan. Divide by 5, so that is 17 over 20. So, equal. Number 8, 3.7 less than, greater than, or equal. So, equal ba siya sa 30 over 8? Try natin. Tingnan natin sa decimal conversion. So, si 30 divide by 8, so that is 3.75. Okay? So, therefore, 3.7 is less than 30 over 8. Number 9, 1 and 3/5 less than, greater than, or equal. So, try natin ang fraction conversion. 1 and 3/5 at saka 1 and 7 over 10. 7 over 10 kasi 0.7 yan, di ba? 1.7. So, 1, tapos yung 0.7 magiging 7 over 10. So, ang common denominator is 10. So, ayan. So, kabila, 1 and 7 over 10. So, sa decimal conversion, 1 and 3/5 is equal to 8 over 5 or 1.6. 8 divided by 5 is 1.6. So, nakita na natin kung sino mas malaki. So, therefore, 1 and 3/5 is less than 1.7. Okay, number 10, 2 and 2/3 is less than, greater than, or equal to 2 and 3/5. Try natin sa decimal conversion. 2 and 2/3, that is, ano natin yan, convert sa improper fraction. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8 over 3. So, ang decimal niya is 2.666. 2.6666. Dot. Yung 2 and 3/5, so 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13 over 5. Convert natin to decimal, that is 2.6. So, therefore, mas malaki yung 2 and 2/3. So, greater than. So, we will arrange rational numbers. So, this is exercise letter B. Arrange the following rational numbers in ascending order. If you say ascending order, from the smallest to the greatest. So, 1.1, 1 and 3/10, 1 and 3 over 10, 1.9, 1 and 1/2, then 1.2. So, ang gagawin natin dito para ma-determine natin kung sino yung mas maliit, sino yung mas malaki. So, ang gagawin natin, we have to, hindi mong function. Ang solution natin dito, convert all the decimal. So, gagawin natin decimal lahat. Yung 1.1, decimal na yan, di ba? So, ang gagawin natin kay 1 and 3/10, or 3 over 10, i-convert natin into decimal yan. So, that is 1.3. Okay, then 1.9, decimal na yan. Si 1 and 1/2, so that is 1.5. Then 1 and 1.2. So, makikita na natin kung sino yung maliit at saka yung sunod. So, pag-arrange natin in ascending order, first is 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.5, at saka 1.9. Okay? Sa decimal yan. Pag-arrange natin sa iyahang original na rational number, so that is 1.1, 1.2, 1 and 3 over 10, 1 and 1/2, and 1.9. Okay? Next. arrange natin siya in fraction. Or solution number 2, convert all to fraction. So, si 1.1, gawin naman nating fraction yan. At saka yung 1.9 at saka 1.2. Okay, si 1.1, that is 1 and 1 over 10. Then next is 1 and 3 over 10. Then si 1.9, that is 1 and 9 over 10. Diba? Then 1 and 1 half. Then si 1.2, that is 1 and 2 over 10. Okay? So, pag-arrange, of course, tingnan natin kung sino yung mas maliit hanggang sa malaki. So, 1 and 1 10, 1 and 1 over 10, 1 and 2 over 10, 1 and 3 over 10, 1 and 5 over 10, and 1 and 9 over 10. So, pag-arrange natin sa kanyang original na rational number, so, 1.1, 1.2, 1 and 3 over 10, 1 and 1 half, then 1.9. Okay? So, arranging rational numbers on the number line. So, dito naman tayo sa number line. So, 0.3 or 0.3, 1 half, 4, 1 and 1 half, 4.6, 2 and 1 half, 1 and 2 over 7, and 3.57. So, yeah. I-plot natin yung rational numbers. So, si 3 over 10, okay, bilangin natin, 1, 2, 3. Ayan. So, yan ang 0.3. Ang 1 half, 0.5, di ba? Si 0.5. So, dyan, si 0.5 or 1 half. Hindi siya umabot kay 1 kasi 1 half lang. Then 4, of course, sa 4, nasa 4 siya. 1 and 1 half, okay, unahang gamay kay 1. Sa tunga ni 1 ug 2. So, 1.5. Okay? That is 1.5 or 1 and 1 half. Then next is 4.6. So, unahang gamay ni padulong kay 5. That is 4 and 3/5. Ayan. Unahan gamay na siya. Okay? More than half po siya. Kaya 4.5 nasa gitna man yan. Okay, next is 2 and 1 half. Okay, 2 and 1 half or 2.5. So, gitna kay 2 at saka kay 3. 2.5 or 2 and 1 half. Then 1 and 2 over 7. Okay, or 1.2. Okay, 1.2, 85714, 287514. Ayan. Yan si 1 and 2 over 7. Next, 3.57. So, yan. Okay, so operations on rational numbers, na-discuss na natin yan. So, maraming salamat sa panunood at pagkikinig. At again, sa hindi pa naka-subscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat.